Roots beneath my veins are trees. Sky above, it breathes.
Hello and welcome to the new video. Today we are in Müggelsee in a lake and we're gonna shoot a very different concept with Diana.
Hi.
And we're looking forward. We have a lot of nice ideas that we're gonna shoot it here in the lake. Stay with us. Let's do it together. Nice. Yeah, we can pose with the ducks. There's also a swan coming by sometimes.
Yeah, I saw him.
Yeah, he came. So I'm checking the lights, then I take some test photos. We have a strong backlight which I don't like, so we turn to the other side.
Go to this.
No, we stay here, but I need the light into your face because now it's a strong backlight into your face. Yeah, now I like it more. Okay, yes, yeah, it's getting shaped. Nice. Okay, so we just start with normal poses. So my tip for modeling, you can always, when I say, for example, you sit here, you can always, like, when your hand here, bring your head up, bring like here, then look around with your head. It always makes different poses and natural. Now, exactly, you can play with the water, then look at the water, then look around, look at the sun, look, yeah. Not straight to the sun, but yeah. Yeah, just to warm up. Okay, a bit more forward. Yeah. So let's do some surrealistic poses that you have your bag. It's like normal fashion show, like normal street. You have your bag and you walk with your bag into the water. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, it's too dark.
Can I go like there?
Yeah, let's go this way. Then I have a better light. Yeah. Yeah, I like this, yes. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. Oops. Oopsie.
Warte, Vorsicht. Müssen aber gleich an den Rand, dann gehe ich mal rein.
So you go backward, like you go
Like this.
backward to the water, yeah.
Okay, I'm not so good at this, but I'll try as good as I
Yeah,
can.
it's fine.
To make it like this.
Yeah,
Not like straight. I'll try, but I cannot promise it because I'm not so good at this.
it's fine. But yeah, I need you more turn. I need you always to have the sun on your face because I would have nice, better photos. So not completely, you can turn side, like always like this, yeah. This side was your best side? Okay, now we have the sun on it and it will be amazing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You can do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
Did it work?
Yeah. I have some nice shots. I have such nice shots.
Ja.
So, ready to go.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. You have the water? Okay, bring it up. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I do another angle. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Can you do it with one hand?
I'm not sure it's gonna work. I'll try. Yeah, you can try that.
Because yeah, one of your hands makes shadow. Yeah. Okay, let's do it with this hand.
Okay. With this hand.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes, now I see your face. Yeah, let's do. Go, more.
Ready?
Yeah. Go. Guys, I missed my microphone. I just bought it and just use it for 3-4 times. It's impossible.
Good. Now we have some good shots of you too.
Okay, me naked, topless.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So guys, bad sound, but enjoy.
And you're still naked.
And I'm naked, then better for you. As you saw the first time, my microphone fell down and it was unfortunately in the water. But I could find the microphone. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the magnet, but the microphone is still working, so it's good. I want to talk more about this concept. I created a project called Nature in Nature. I believe that we are part of a nature and nature is not made for us. That's why I did 2 projects. You already saw one and this is the second one. And I put my models interacting with nature and I tried to make them be part of a nature to achieve my goal in this project. This shooting had a lot of challenges for us. At first we went to a lake, but we couldn't go into the water. It was prohibited and we had to find another location. Then we traveled 1 hour, 20 minutes to this beautiful lake and finally we could do the shooting here. After my microphone fell in the water, then because we spent a lot of time in the water, my model Diana started to get cold and we had to finish it earlier, but I'm really happy with the result. As you see, I would say we had enough great photos from this shooting. I always like to create new arts and new style photography. Stay tuned with me. I will do more projects and we can enjoy them together. Thank you for watching. That was it. We had a lot of problems. I lost my magnet. My microphone fell into the water. I don't know if it works or not. The model was so cold, but we shot a lot of nice photos that you already saw. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the